Welcome back. Time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
Donald Trump has criticized NATO and other U.S. allies, saying he has been told they don't want to get involved in the Iran war. In a post on Truth Social, he says, quote, "We no longer need or desire the NATO countries' assistance. We never did," end quote. The U.S. President's comments come after a growing list of nations, including many European powers, turned down his request to help protect the Strait of Hormuz. Earlier, a top U.S. counterterrorism official resigned over the ongoing conflict, saying Iran posed no imminent threat to the United States. Meanwhile, Iran has acknowledged the deaths of 2 top security officials. And a sanctioned Russian tanker loaded with liquefied natural gas is drifting out of control in the Mediterranean, with no crew on board and a gaping hole in one side, prompting warnings of a serious risk of a major ecological disaster. An official in Italy, one of 9 EU countries to write a joint letter to the European Commission, has called the Arctic metagas an environmental bomb waiting to go off. The tanker, part of a shadow fleet transporting sanctioned Russian oil and gas, was badly damaged in a suspected sea drone attack near Maltese waters earlier this month. Ukraine has not commented on reports that it was responsible for crippling it. And those were some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shaneberg.
And the Primetime News Package continues with sports right after this break.